Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Michelle R. Martinez. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I'm undergraduate in college. I had experience in Philippines for 3 years as a domestic helper, Finnish contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of newborn baby, taking care of children, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and other household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of children, a baby, and an elderly?
I will take good care of them, cooking for food for them, feeding them, make sure that they healthy and clean, and serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can cook Filipino food and baking cake, and I'm willing to learn more when it comes in cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be a good person, fast learner, honest, God-fearing, multitasking, taking care of kids as my own, and I can work for minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, I will promise to be a good treasure to your family, and also I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.